Okay, hello everybody. Welcome to a video walkthrough of problem 3 on the worksheet, Tom Nook's Cult. You are a programmer for Nintendo working on the new Animal Crossing game, New Binary Search Trees. Given the following class definition, predict the outputs of some print statements. Okay, so let's get right into it. Remember, in the walkthrough video for problem 5, I talk about how I like to represent static and dynamic types in box and pointer diagrams. I like to put the static type in this box up at the top, and I just make a note of the dynamic type inside of the box and pointer diagram. So let's get started off here with villager Coco is equal to a new villager. So remember, the static type is the thing to the left of the equal sign, and the static type for Coco, this is going to be Coco, is villager. And the dynamic type is also villager. So we can see that we feed in for the name variable Coco, and we set this dot name is equal to Coco. And for the species, we feed in rabbit, so this dot species will be rabbit. For personality, we feed in normal. And notice that up here in our village class, we define personality to be a public static string personality. So that means that personality is now being set to normal in this class. Okay, and we can see that the function automatically sets friendship equal to 0. Cool. Okay, now how about the next line? Villager Jeremiah is equal to a new villager. Okay, so same situation here with static and dynamic types. This is, Jer with an E, Jeremiah, and name is Jeremiah, and species is frog. And personality is lazy, so that also changes the personality up here, where it says public static string personality within the class to lazy. And once again, we have friendship is equal to 0. So what happens when we do system.out.println coco.personality? Well, it is going to end up being lazy. So the first thing that we print out is lazy. Now we are going to deal with this next line of code where we're looking at villager Raymond is equal to new villager. So once again, villager is the static type and villager is also the dynamic type. This diagram, this box will be for Raymond. Name is being fed in as Raymond. Species is cat, and personality is smug. So let's go back up here and let's adjust this public static string personality to now be smug. Okay, and once again, we will have friendship as 0. Okay, so now we do system.out.println coco.personality. It is going to be smug because the personality string is a public static string, and when we do villager.personality, we will also get smug. Okay, it's just looking right up here within the class at this line of code to figure out what to print. Okay, now what happens next? Okay, next we are going to just perform this line of code, Jeremiah.indoctrinate. So let's go up here and let's take a look at the indoctrinate function. So it looks like when we call the indoctrinate function, we set this dot personality equal to normal. So let's go right up here to our public static string personality and adjust it so that it is normal. Okay, so what is going to happen if we do system.out.println for Jeremiah personality, we are going to get normal. And for Raymond, we are also going to get normal. And of course, if we do villager.personality, we are going to get normal. Okay, so after looking through the code, you notice that personality values don't seem to be outputting as expected. What is going on? How can we fix it? So personality is a static type variable, and that means that whatever personality is defined for any instance is defined the same for every instance. So to fix this, we can get rid of the static in the line public static string personality, and then we would be able to have all of these objects printing out their own personality. But because of this keyword static, we see the behavior that we are observing here with personality. Okay, so I hope this walkthrough was helpful, and good luck on the midterm.